This is the kind of dinner that you'll make once and then wonder why you ever ordered takeaway. Sticky honey garlic chicken done in 20 minutes. Begin by cooking your rice to the packet instructions. I'm using basmati rice, but you could use jasmine rice here as well. So with our rice ticking away nicely on the stove, we're going to make a quick pickled cucumber. So I've got half a cucumber here and we're just going to slice it up nice and thin, place it into a bowl and add in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar and give it a good pinch of salt. Mix it together, set it to one side and let it do its thing while we carry on with the cooking. So next I've got 600 grams of chicken. You can use chicken thigh or chicken breast. I'm using chicken breast today and I've diced it up into nice bite-sized pieces. So I'm just going to place this into a mixing bowl and then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a good grind of black pepper and a generous pinch of salt, and mix until the chicken is well coated. So before we start cooking off that chicken, we just need to grate 4 garlic cloves on a microplane, followed by a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger. So we want roughly around just over a teaspoon of fresh ginger grated. So with that all done, we're going to place a large frying pan over a medium-high heat and drizzle in a good tablespoon or so of oil for frying. Once it's hot, add in your chicken and we're going to cook that until it's golden brown, turning occasionally, and then we'll reduce the heat down ever so slightly before adding in the garlic and ginger and cooking for a further 30 seconds. Next, we'll place in 80 grams of runny honey, followed by 60 milliliters of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. We'll stir that together and simmer it for 1 minute before adding in a corn flour slurry. This is 1 teaspoon of corn flour to 2 tablespoons of cold water. And then we'll cook that out for another minute or so until the sauce becomes thick, glossy, and beautifully sticky. And now it's ready to serve. Share the rice out into bowls and then top it with that beautiful sticky honey chicken. And then finish it with that pickled cucumber, some chopped spring onion, a sprinkle of sesame seeds and some fresh coriander. And then this is optional, but you can serve it with a wedge of lime. So there you have it, sticky honey garlic chicken balls. They look absolutely delicious. I can't wait to try. And this one is good. Oh, that's brilliant. You're gonna have to try it. And those pickled cucumber, a great fast pickle. All of this in 20 minutes, probably half an hour if you're taking your time. Absolutely delicious. Hope you give this one a go. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.